I got tired of everything swishing and swashing around in my trunk, so I ordered these foldable car trunk organizers from Owle's. They came in beautiful packaging, so I already knew, all right, this is the real deal. So after I sat there and got excited over this box, I finally took them out of the packaging to reveal the most beautiful, high quality foldable trunks that I have ever seen. Instantly, I need to step my car game up. They have the feet on the bottom that keeps it from sliding everywhere, and it was super easy to put together. I simply slid the side in, attached it with the Velcro, and it was ready to roll in about 3 minutes. I did both of them. They fit perfectly in the back of my Nissan Rogue. I love that the trunk keeps everything so neat. I can place all of my shopping bags in the back and don't have to worry about not one item rolling across the back of the car and having to pick it up when I get home. Need to get your space together too? I recommend Owle's. Plus, you get a discount if you buy two or more items.